Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to start the last chapter of the book, that is a play. The title of the play is The Proposal, and it's written by Anton Chekhov. Actually, the word proposal is having three type of meanings. First is a suggestion, plan, or scheme for doing something. Second is an offer for a possible plan or action. Third is the act of asking someone's hand in marriage. So here the third meaning is suitable. That is the act of asking someone's hand in marriage. Let's see the introduction of the play. The proposal, originally titled A Marriage Proposal, is a one act play, a force by the Russian short story writer, dramatist Anton Chekhov. It was written in 1888 to 1889. The play is about the tendency of wealthy families to seek ties with other wealthy families to increase their estates by encouraging marriages that make good economic sense. Ivan Lemov is the main character of the play, a long-time wealthy neighbor of Stepan Chubuku. This is also the character and they are neighbors. Also, wealthy comes to seek the hand of Chubuku's 25-year-old daughter Natalia. Means Lomov and Chubuku's were the neighbor. Lomov came to Stepan Chubuku to propose for his daughter Natalia, who was 25 years old. All three are quarrelsome. So, this is a very funny or humorous play. All the three characters, Lomo, Chubuku, and Natalia, they are quarrelsome, means in habit of quarreling every time. And they quarrel over petty issues. Petty issues means very small issues or very not so meaningful issues. The proposal is in danger of being forgotten amidst all this quarreling. So when he came for proposal, they all started quarreling and they forgot the main aim, that was to make the proposal. But economic good sense, they are also very good, sensible people. So they made the proposal even when they were quarreling, and their habit of because of their habit of quarreling, they continue their quarreling even after making the proposal. Now we'll discuss about Russian wedding, because this play is having the glimpses of Russian tradition. Preparation of Russian wedding. A Russian wedding is very simple. The planning only includes arranging for rings, brides, dress, cards, and a reception. Earlier, the bride's family paid for the reception, but nowadays, brides and grooms' families usually share expenses. Expenses means expenditures, charges of wedding. A Russian wedding lasts for 2 days. Some weddings last as long as a week, and the occasion becomes something to remember for years. The necessary part of the wedding ceremony is a wedding procession of several cars. The best friends of the groom bride meet before the wedding a few times, make posters, write speeches, and organize contests. When the groom arrives to fetch the bride for the registration, he has to fight to get her. Fight to get her is very humorous here. Russians usually live in apartments in tall buildings, and the groom has to climb. Who has to climb to reach bride? But at each landing, he must answer a question to be allowed to go up. So when he would be climbing, has to answer the questions, different questions. The bride's friends ask difficult questions, sometimes about the bride, sometimes just difficult riddles, and the groom must answer with the help of his friends. For example, he may be shown a few photos of baby girls and he must say which one his bride is. If he guesses wrong, he must pay cash to move ahead. After the marriage registration, the newly married couple leaves the guests for a tour of the city sites. After 2 or 3 years of the city, 3 hours of the city tour, the couple arrives at the reception. The couple sits at a special arranged table with their family, friends, and invited guests. So, this was the tradition of Russian marriage. Let's start the play. The characters are here. Stepan Stepanovich Chubuku, a landowner, his old man. Natalia Stepanovna Chubuku's daughter, she is 25 years old. And Ivan Vasilievich Lomov, a neighbor of Chubuku, a big and hearty, means very handsome man, but very suspicious landlord. The suspicious, doubtful. He is having doubt, and he is also landlord or landowner. In the beginning, there is the in the play there is the setting of room of Chibuku. A drawing room in Chibuku's house. Lomo enters, wearing dress, jacket, and white gloves. Means he was dressed up like he was going to a party. Chibuku rises to meet him. Means he stands up to welcome him when Lomo enters his house. Now Chibuku asks, "My dear fellow, whom do I see?" He is showing that he was very surprised that whom I am seeing now. Ivan Vasilievich, you are here. I am extremely glad, happy. Squeezes means he wrings his hand. It means he is having some type of doubt. Now this is a surprise, my darling, that you are here. You have come to my house. It's very surprising. Chubuku is showing that he is very happy to meet Lomo. Lumo, thank you. And how may you be getting on? Getting on? Get on is a phrase. It means how are you performing? How are you progressing in these days? Chubuku, we just get along somehow. Means we are living somehow. My angel, now who is angel here? Angel is Lumu. Thanks to your prayers and so on. Sit down, please do. Now, you should not forget all about your neighbors, my darling. It means Chubuku is saying, sit down. You should not forget your neighbors. It means he is saying that Lumu has come after a long period of time. And he is showing that actually he is happy to meet Lumu. But actually he is not happy. He is having doubt that Lumu has come to borrow something, to demand something, and Chubuku is not ready to give anything, as usually the neighbors do. My dear fellow, why are you so informal? Why are you so formal in your get-up? Get-up means dress. Why have you come in very formal dress, like you are going to attend a party? Evening dress you are, means to attend an evening party. You are having gloves, so on. Can you be going anywhere, my treasure, my angel, shows that he is showing that he is very happy to meet Lomo. So he's asking if Lomo is going to attend any party. Lomo said, "No, I have come only to see you. Honored Stepan Stepanovich means to meet you. I have come to meet you." Chubuku, then why are you in evening dress, my precious? Again, my precious means my dear. Then why have you come in this very party like dress? We are neighbors, no need of wearing party dress. As if you are paying a New Year's Eve visit, means you are going to attend New Year evening party. Lumo, well, you see, it's like this. Takes his arm. Lumo said, yes, the reason I'm telling you, the purpose is that he takes the hand of Chubuko in his own hand, and he says that I have come to you, honored Stepan Stepanovich, to trouble you with a request. Means I have come to make you a request, to give you trouble by making a request. Not once or twice have I already had the privilege for applying to you for help. Means already one or two times I requested you, and you gave me the honor, privilege, you gave me the honor to request you, and you always helped me. Who is saying? Tomo. So to speak means I will say that you always help me. I must ask your pardon, means excuse me. I am getting excited. I'm getting excited. I'm feeling nervous. So please allow me to drink water. Honor Stepan Stepanovich, and he takes water. Why is he getting excited? To make proposal. Chubuku, he gets aside. Why aside? Because he was standing. This is the play. These two characters are standing on the stage. So he gets aside on the stage. He has come to borrow money. So he is talking to himself, but he is talking very loudly. He is guessing that Lomo has come to borrow money. Shan't give him any. Means I am not going to give him any money. What is it, my beauty? Then he again returns to Lomo and says, what is it, my beauty? Means what is the problem with you? My beauty means here, my dear. Lomo, you see, honored Stepnovich. Now here, in place of Stepnovich, he is saying Stepnich. I beg pardon, Stepan, Honorich. Means he is mixing the words. Means he is very much confused to make the proposal. I mean, I'm awfully excited. Means I'm very tensed, very much excited. As you will please notice. In short, you alone can help me, though I don't deserve it, of course, and haven't any right to count on your assistance. Now, count on means here rely on. Means he's saying that only you can help me. Actually, I think I don't deserve it, but I'm going to make a request, and I think you will help me because you already helped me. Shibuku is saying, oh, don't go round and round. Don't tell me the things indirectly, my darling. So he is again in commenting manner. He is again saying, darling means my dear. Spit it out means speak the matter at once. Well, I want to listen it. Chibuku says, Lomo, one moment. This very minute means please wait for a minute. The fact is, I have come to ask the hand of your daughter Natalia Stepnovna in marriage. So he is saying that I have come to ask for the hand of your daughter Natalia to get married to her. Chubuku joyfully means happily. By Jove means by God. Ivan Vasilevich, say it again. I didn't hear it. He's so happy. He's saying that repeat your words. I'm not believing that you have come for proposal. Lumo, I have the honor to ask. Means I will ask again for the proposal for the marriage. Chubuku interrupting his line. My dear fellow, I'm so glad. Now actually Chubuku is happy here now. And previously he was not happy. He was showing that he was happy. I'm so glad and so on. Yes indeed. All that sort of thing. Embraces means hugs and kisses Lomo. I have been hoping for it for a long time. Means Shubuku is also in desire of this proposal in marriage, and he has been hoping for this match for a long period of time. It has been my continual means regular every time desire. He sheds a tear means he is very happy, and I have always loved you, my angel, as my son-in-law. Now actually he is saying angel now. Why? Because he is really happy. As if you were my own son. May God give you both. Both means Natalia and Lomo. His help, His is here for God. May God give you His help, His love, and so on. So He is blessing both of them. And so much hope. What am I behaving in this idiotic way for? And then he is asking himself that why he was behaving in so idiotic manner. He was hugging, he was blessing, and he was behaving in very awkward manner. Actually, he was very much happy. I'm off my balance with joy. Off means he was imbalanced because of excess joy, absolutely off my balance. So he's saying he was behaving in idiotic manner because he was having excess joy. Oh, with all my soul I'll go and call Natalia. Natasha is for Natalia and all that. So I'm going and I'm telling Natalia and I am calling her. So Natalia is the actual name throughout the play, but only at one place in this line in the book, in place of Natalia, it's given Natasha. Lomo greatly moved means he is also very happy. Impressed, greatly moved means impressed and very happy. Honored Stepan Stepanovich, do you think I may count on her consent? Means do you think will she accept my proposal? Chubuku says, Why, of course, my darling. Why not? And as if she won't consent. Means I don't think she will not accept your proposal. She's in love with you. Egate. So egate means exclamatory word this is. It means in surprise and anger. Means by God. She will not refuse. She will accept. She's like a lovesick cat. She also loves you, and so on. Shan't be long means we should not wait for long time. She will accept. She is also in love. So thanks for watching video. This play will continue in the next video class. Stay at home and stay healthy.